Hey everyone, Chaz with Infinite Real Estate. I'm here again in Mapleton now with Visionary Homes. So today we're actually going to do kind of a 2-for-1 video just because of the great deals they've got going on. So let's go check them out real quick.
Welcome to Sunrise Ranch in Mapleton, Utah. The home's traditional base elevation features a stone front with stucco siding and trim that give it a timeless yet contemporary feel. A serene community where modern living meets breathtaking natural beauty. As we walk through this stunning single-family home, you'll immediately notice the spacious floor plan, bathed in natural light from large windows that frame the picturesque mountain views. The 9-foot ceilings throughout add to the sense of openness, while the Smartstrand carpet, with its extra thick 8-pound pad, offers both luxury and durability underfoot. Inside, the attention to detail continues. The adult height countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms provide comfort and convenience, paired with stunning stained Knotty Alder cabinets that offer both beauty and function. The designer-selected granite countertops and contemporary subway tile backsplash add a touch of elegance to the kitchen, which is fully equipped with quality stainless steel appliances, including a gas range stove, microwave, and dishwasher. The large island and generous counter space make this kitchen a chef's dream. Beyond the home, Sunrise Ranch offers third-acre lots with panoramic mountain views, giving you the perfect blend of rural seclusion and convenient access to shopping and I-15. Your weekends will be filled with adventure, from nearby Maple Grove Park and weekly farmers, markets to scenic trails and local concerts. Outside, the concrete backyard patio invites you to relax and enjoy the outdoors, with freezeless hose bibs ready for all seasons. The craftsmanship here is evident from the start. The walls are finished with a wholly smooth drywall, providing a clean, polished look throughout. Disc lights are thoughtfully placed in every room, ensuring a bright and inviting atmosphere day or night. In the primary bathroom, luxury meets practicality with a large double sink vanity, separate shower, granite countertop vanities in all bathrooms ensure consistency in design and quality throughout the home. But it's not just the aesthetics that set this home apart. Visionary Homes' tight-fit method, construction, guarantees energy efficiency and weatherproofing, reducing your monthly utility bills and giving you peace of mind that your home is built to last. Their homes come standard with a 2-car garage, and you'll appreciate the spaciousness it offers, complete with an 18-foot wide driveway, perfect for multiple vehicles or weekend projects. And for those with a vision for the future, This model's finished basement showcases the potential of this versatile space, with the option to tailor your home to your specific needs or leave it unfinished. Welcome to Sunrise Ranch, a luxury townhome community where comfort meets style in Mapleton, Utah. Each townhome here offers over 2,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, complete with a finished basement and soaring 9-foot ceilings that enhance the open, airy feel. Inside, you'll find elevated finishes like Smartstrand carpet with an extra thick 8-pound pad, providing both durability and luxury underfoot. Each bedroom is illuminated by 4 disc lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Choose from 2 distinct floor plans, the Grace and the Olivia. Whether you need an extra bedroom in the basement or a versatile space for a hobby room, music studio, or private library, these plans offer the flexibility to suit your lifestyle.
Awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. With Visionary, they are really an awesome builder. They are one of the bigger builders in Utah. In Utah County, they're a little bit smaller, but they spread anywhere from Davis County, Salt Lake County, Utah County, all the way down to like St. George area. So they are a prominent builder here. I've seen part of the build process they do, and they do have quality like throughout. You can tell that they care about their build and their reputation and everything. Some of the awesome deals they have going on right now They are offering what's called a 3-2-1 buy down if you use their preferred lender on their townhomes. So I can look at it again, but essentially that is 3% lower than what the current interest rate is for your first year, and then the second year it goes up to 2% lower, 1% lower on the next year, and then for the 4th through the 30th year, it's whatever that rate is currently. So let's say it's 6.25 today. For that first year, you're 3.25. That comes out to almost $600 in savings a month for your first year. And so the fact that they're offering that as a seller credit, or a builder credit, I guess, is just awesome. It makes it so those townhomes for $464 come right below $2,000. I'm not a lender, so I can't quote exactly, but it is an awesome deal. So if you want more info on that, just reach out to me. I can help you get connected with the right people and find more info. That is an FHA loan, but they've got other great incentives if you need to go a different route. But for their single families, they are about to be on their last phase. They've got 13 lots left. So this area is really a highly desirable area in Mapleton. It's really close to parks. It's just right off the main road here, really close to all the shopping areas. So you get that small town feel. You can even just see behind me. It just feels nicer here. Like you still get the mountains, you still get everything, but I don't know. Unless you've been in Mapleton, it's hard to explain. With that being said, those 13 lots will probably go quick. So if you're thinking about it, just let me know, because we'll probably have to move on them quick. But you can see just by the like choices that they have available in their builds that Visionary really cares, and they're worth the price you pay. So again, Chaz Williams, Infinite Real Estate. Call or text me at 801-636-7080, or you can shoot me a message, comment, whatever it might be, and we can get in touch. But Mapleton, I forgot to say, if you're not from Utah, it's south of Provo, so pretty close to the colleges. And yeah, thanks for joining us.